Dear students, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మీ అందరికీ కూడా డిగ్రీ ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాయబోతున్నారు కాబట్టి ముందుగా మీ అందరికీ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. ఖచ్చితంగా మీ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఇంతకుముందులాగానే సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు, మంచి మార్క్స్ సాధిస్తారని అనుకుంటున్నాము. సో టుడే we need to discuss about SEM 5 pattern. So syllabus you have awareness, మధురోపదేశः, అలంకారాः and శాస్త్రకార విభాగः. నెక్స్ట్ శిష్యానుశాసన and బ్రహ్మశక్తిర్గరీయసి. These topics you have in your syllabus. So the question paper pattern is like A vibhagaha means part A and A vibhagaha in part B. Totally 80 marks paper is designed for you for semester examination. So in part A, totally we have 6 questions. Out of 6, you have to attempt any 4. So the first question, introduction for Ganga Devi, the Ganga Devi author of Madhuropadeshaha lesson. So you have to write the introduction of Ganga Devi topic. Next, question number 2. Question number 2 from Shishyanuशासनम topic, Sandarbha Sahita Vakyani. Next, question number 3. Panini or any other Shastrakara Vibhagaha topic nunchi మీకు ఎవరైనా ఒక పోయెట్ గురించి అడుగుతారు. Any one poet should be question will give you. Totally we have 6 poets. Question number 4 from grammar part, that is called Alankaras. So out of 6 Alankaras, 1 Alankara will ask you. Question number 5, బ్రహ్మశక్తిర్ గరీయసి టాపిక్ నుంచి సందర్భ సహిత వాక్యాలు అడుగుతాడు. అనోటేషన్ ఫ్రమ్ బ్రహ్మశక్తిర్ గరీయసి. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 6, అగైన్ we are getting from శాస్త్రకార విభాగः. So in this part A, 3 introductions of given poet introductions are given and 1 grammar part given and 2 annotations are given. So in part A, out of 6 you should attempt any 4. Next, part B. In part B, Madhuropadeshaha topic given. In the topic, word to word meanings should be asked you. Out of 20 examples in our lesson, we will get in question paper any 4. So out of 4, you should attempt any 2. It means you should prepare any 10. Any 10 you should prepare. So easily you can handle the question. Next, question number 8. In question number 8, totally 4 alankaras asking you. Out of 4, you should attempt any 2. Next, question number 9 and 10. In between these two, 9 and 10, or option should be given. Guru Sishyan Kim Upadishati, like Shishyanushasana topic, essay will come. And next one, Brahmashaktir Gariyasi. Brahmashakti Gariyasi is describing about Arishadvarga information. Ahankara is very, very harmful for human. Not only human, Devatas and Rakshasas also. So in this lesson, Devasa should have Ahankara emotion. So how they handle the Ahankara emotion in this lesson given. Last one, Shastrakara Vibhagaha again. In Shastrakara Vibhagaha, totally 4 asking you. Out of 4, you should attempt any 2. So in Shastrakara Vibhagaha, Panini, Kautilya, Bharatamuni, Magamahakavi, Sriharsha, and Bharvi. These six are very essential for preparation. And scoring scope from the lessons Madhuropadeshaha. From Madhuropadeshaha, question number 1, question number 7. So 15 plus 5, 20 marks are coming from this lesson. And Shastrakar Vibhagaha, question number 3, 6 and 11. So totally 15 plus 10, 25 marks will ask you. Alankaras, grammar part. The Alankaras, question number 4, question number 8. 15 plus 5, 20 marks are coming from this topic. So all of you prepare well the grammar part and Shastrakar Vibhagaha and remaining lessons carefully and write your examination in positive mood. So thank you one and all the best to all dear students. Shubhamastu. Namaste.